Immediately. It was the iconic Tikiz truck in itself. When you see the truck, you immediately want to go to it. You want to be a part of it. And that's something that I said, if I'm going to work for myself, I want to have fun, but I also want to be seen. And the truck helps us do that. As a previously enlisted Marine, I was looking for an opportunity, a job, anything that I could have fun at, but also work for myself. And the website in itself, with the truck, the fun nature, the inventory, and the family here at Tikiz immediately made me want and need to be a part of it. My experience becoming a Tikiz owner has been phenomenal. The level of professionalism and family here at the Tikiz headquarters, Brian, Danny, and the rest of the Tikiz family have welcomed me in and made me a part of the family. And it's really a pleasure, and it's been an honor to go through the process. The process has been phenomenal, and just excited to get started and can't wait for tomorrow.